Colbert. I'm one of the U.S. SMB Partner Sales Executives for Central Region. Specifically, I work with a group of managed partners that have a headquarters in the state of Illinois. As a Partner Sales Executive, or PSC, that's what we typically call ourselves, part of my role includes helping partners develop or expand their Microsoft business practice, whether it's the traditional Microsoft product areas or our ever-expanding cloud services. I'd like to welcome everyone to SMB Live Rewind. This is a follow-up to the SMB Live sessions delivered earlier this year. We've designed SMB Live Rewind to assist partners who are unable to attend the on-site events, and also it's an opportunity for partners to review specific areas of interest. Now, we've divided SMB Live into 9 modules. We encourage you to go through each of the modules as your schedule permits, or if preferred, you can pick and choose those modules you prefer. This module will focus on the amazing partner opportunity with our cloud services. So, let's get started. In this module, we'll cover the Microsoft mission, the Microsoft multi-cloud opportunity for you partners out there. We're also going to highlight how you can build out your cloud practice. And finally, we'll summarize for you what we're going to deliver in the other modules within this series. So let's get started. In this module, we'll cover the Microsoft mission, our multi-cloud opportunity for partners. We're also going to highlight the cloud practice building blocks. And finally, I'll summarize what we'll deliver in the upcoming modules. So let's talk about the Microsoft mission. Our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Now, what we're trying to do with you partners is to help you build out the best-in-class platforms and productivity services for a mobile-first, cloud-first world. And we surround this strategy with 3 bold ambitions. We want to help you partners reinvent productivity and business processes. We want to build out the intelligent cloud platform, as well as help you create more personal computing for your customer opportunities. Now, with a mission as big and bold and as ambitious as this, it helps to unpack this a bit as we dive in. As we think about empowering everyone and helping them achieve more, it helps to understand what's holding people back today. What we have to consider is what keeps them from achieving more. We think we can help people achieve more by giving them the tools to overcome the limits of time, place, and complexity. So these modules are going to focus on helping you, the partner, expand your current Microsoft Cloud practice and also to help you take advantage of our ever-expanding SMB customer opportunity. The cloud opportunity is here for you partners. A 2015 study by Dimensions Research found a majority of customers are looking at embracing multi-cloud solutions. Specifically, 77% of IT decision makers plan to implement multi-cloud solutions within the next 12 months. Some of the top applications they plan to move to the cloud include storage and backup, as well as disaster recovery. No longer are customers content with leveraging dated technical solutions, such as backup tapes and disks, and then taking those backup tapes and disks and moving them physically from their office locations to off-site locations for storage. And then, of course, finally, keeping a log of the most up-to-date tapes and disks and their individual contents. Instead of all this, most SMB customers are looking to experts like you, our SMB partners, to help them become better prepared for managing system outages, misconfigurations, and data corruption. They expect you partners to help them implement cloud storage, backup, and disaster recovery solutions that are going to ensure their corporate assets are safe. By the way, a 2013 IDC research study shows the average annual revenue loss per hour of downtime in a mid-sized company varies significantly by the industry sector. Nearly $60,000 for manufacturing firms. For healthcare businesses, it can be as much as $158,000, and then $400,000 for retail businesses, and nearly $10 million for financial services firms. Disaster recovery solutions that you partners are able to introduce to your customers leveraging cloud services are of significant value to your customers. Our top SMB partners are selling more than one cloud solution. Our best partners are continue to expand their business practice by adding backup, recovery, storage, collaboration, and customer relationship management, as well as mobile security management. I'll give you an example of a local area partner that has been quite successful in selling multiple cloud solutions to a customer opportunity. This Chicago area partner was introduced to a transportation customer opportunity. This was through a satisfied customer referral. Now, the partner initially thought that the business opportunity included just solving some sort of a data reporting opportunity for the customer. So he had a challenge in data reporting. When they went to the discovery meeting with the customer, and we're walking through the hallways and having the different conversations about the customer priorities and the challenges that they were trying to address, the partner quickly discovered there were multiple business opportunities there that they could help deliver for this customer, leveraging Microsoft Cloud Services. First and foremost, the customer was currently today operating with lots of Microsoft technology, but however, it's quite dated. We're talking Windows Server 2003, SQL 2005, along with all of the infrastructure that was fairly old and not modern at all. In addition, this particular transportation company had a network of employees spread throughout the United States that were using multiple devices. So iPhones, iPads, Android phones, Windows phones. It was quite the mixture of different physical assets that these people were using to go inside and grab the information and data that they needed. But it was in a very unsecure fashion. So they had no sort of management or of the corporate sensitive information that was being sent out to the customer base. In addition to that discovery meeting, the partner realized that the CRM solution that they were using, it was a custom application that was created back in the 80s, no longer was serving the organization at all. As a matter of fact, it had outlived its usefulness and was quite a pain to maintain, and they were looking actually for a solution in that particular space. Now, the partner I'm talking about has a good, strong history of infrastructure deliveries. They have a great background in delivering Office 365 solutions quite successfully in the Chicagoland area, but they didn't have the skill set for CRM Online. So they felt confident in delivering everything else except for the CRM Online solution. What they did to help address this business opportunity for the customer was they leveraged IAM-CP to help deliver that portion of the solution. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with IAM-CP, this is a group of Microsoft partners that have agreed to not encroach on each other's business opportunities. So you can successfully work on in a partner-to-partner business relationship and side by side, helping to deliver one complete customer solution. So in the end, I anticipate that this particular customer opportunity is going to have a statement of work that includes Office 365. We're going to have Windows Server and SQL Server to help replace, because this will be a hybrid type of solution that we're delivering. It's not going to be 100% up in the cloud. So a hybrid, a little bit of on-prem as well as cloud services to help manage those devices and keep everything with secure identity management. We're going to leverage a solution such as the Enterprise Mobility Suite. Got the Azure services for their backup and storage and disaster recovery solutions, because again, this is a transportation company and security and storage is quite top of mind for them. And then finally, for the area of CRM Online service, we'll leverage the CRM partner through IAM-CP. So as you can see, one business opportunity that the partner was introduced to help me solve this reporting issue has turned into a tremendous statement of work opportunity that's going to really add to this partner's bottom line. So Microsoft has multi-cloud solutions, and I wanted to make sure I walked you through the building blocks of these opportunities there for you. We can start your customer opportunities off with the Office 365 solution set. And this does include in the area of communications services such as Exchange Online, as well as Skype for Business. That includes both our communications and collaboration opportunities. It also has collaboration in the area of SharePoint. And for your business productivity or BI solutions, we do have the Office applications, the traditional Office applications, however, they're delivered through our cloud services. So that's a great introductory opportunity for your customers. Most customers need messaging solutions, so it's great to introduce Office 365 as a service, especially when you've got customers out there that may be leveraging an older solution or older technology such as POP. May be a great way to introduce our services. Next, when you've got customers out there who may have proliferation of devices out there, you might recall most customers out there are carrying anywhere from 3 to 5 individual devices that they're using to access their corporate data. So let me give you a quick example of this. So let's say you've got Joe, and Joe's your average employee. He's got the laptop that his employer has issued him. He's got a laptop or device at home, as well as his iPhone and his iPad. The expectation of the modern business worker today is that they should be able to get access to their messaging for work on all of those devices. So you need some way to securely segregate the corporate information versus the personal information on those individual devices that employee Joe is walking through the business day with. One way to do that is by leveraging the Enterprise Mobility Suite. So a combination of Office 365 for his messaging delivery, as well as securely managing the individual assets there for Joe, his devices, through the Enterprise Mobility Suite, gives you that next upsell opportunity. Then, if we take this a step further, when you were talking with Joe's IT director and his vice president of the information organization there, you probably found out that there's a real opportunity out there for storage, backup, and disaster recovery solution planning solutions. So this gives you the opportunity to introduce services such as Microsoft Azure. Azure also can assist with the identity management against those devices. Take things a little bit further, you've got the opportunity of the Office 365 suite. We've introduced the Mobility Suite and backup and disaster recovery solutions delivered through Microsoft Azure. Then finally, you can round out that business opportunity by having conversations with the marketing and sales organization and helping them deliver against the management of those customers within their database. Joe is a successful sales rep for the organization or customer that you're working with, and he's using an out-of-date CRM solution that was developed back in the 80s. So he's expecting to be able to get access to his customer information on his iPhone, his iPad, his individual devices that he's using throughout the course of his business day. So leveraging services solutions such as CRM Online help deliver him that device flexibility and mobility solutions that he's looking for. So nice foundation of multiple cloud solutions that can help you deliver extensive value to your customer opportunities out there. One thing we want to be sure that you're aware of is that be sure to talk and address each of your customer opportunities as solutions, not as technologies. Because if you say to a customer, hey, I want to sell you some Enterprise Mobility Suite or Azure Identity Management, that's not the same impact as saying to them, when Joe is using his iPhone, iPad, Android device, or Windows phone, when he's out there, if he loses his device, I'm able to set it up so that I only wipe off the corporate information. He can still maintain access to his personal information, so those photos of his kid's birthday party remain on his individual devices. It's a better selling opportunity and a much richer conversation for the customer. They're not interested so much in the Microsoft technologies or whatever technologies that you're using to drive the solution. They are more interested in the problems that you're helping them solve. So let's summarize. The multi-cloud opportunity for you partners is huge. Our top performing SMB partners are definitely selling more than just one solution to their customer base. They are continuing to expand or maximize their customer opportunities by leveraging the Microsoft multi-cloud business blocks. But instead of selling technology, they're leading with solutions to the challenges that the customers may have. So what I ask from you partners is that you focus on building out these multi-cloud solutions for your organization, packaging them up so that you can differentiate yourselves from the other partners or product solutions that may be out there in the marketplace. So my ask for you partners is that you create solution packages for your customers. that you market these, and this will help you drive faster closes for your customers because they know you're experienced and have done this before. They see that you've already thought through the business challenge for the organization. So, what can you expect in the next modules of SMB Live Rewind? Well, we're going to share with you some more detail in regards to the multi-cloud solutions. We're going to help you expand what you're currently selling today, and then go into some detail how you can build out those customer solution packages and how you can market your solutions to help you differentiate and grow your business practice. Thanks so much for listening to SMB Live Rewind. I wish you much success and encourage you to listen to the remaining modules.